Hello, Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to make single rose from felt. We are going to make 2 roses and decorate each of them being a bouquet like this. Okay, let's get started. The materials we need are scissor, felt, single broomstick, ribbon, and glue gun. First of all, wrap the ribbon around the stick. Then we will cut the stick into 2 parts. Match the ends so they are neat. Then to make the rose, prepare the red felt and cut it as shown on the video. Make this pattern for 17 seeds. Okay, we got it. And then place the glue on the bottom of felt and wrap on a stick, thus forming flower buds. Wrap another flower pattern around the bud. Glue and wrap all the petals around the bud. Okay, this is the last petal. Okay, it's done for the petals. And now we will make the leaves below the petals and on the stalk. First, make rectangles and make patterns as shown on the video. Trim the sides. And then put the stalk into the pattern and glue it on the flower. Okay, now we will make the leaves on the stalk. First of all, prepare 2 green felt and then cut like this. Then glue them on the stalk. Okay, it's done. We will make 2 single rows like this, and then we will wrap it and decorate them with chocolate. We need mica box and sponbund fabric, and also ribbon and clay for decoration. Glue the sponbund fabric and put the rose and also the chocolate on it. And then decorate with ribbon and clay. Next, place the bouquet on a box and knit it. Glue the sides and then decorate again with ribbon and clay. Knot the ribbon so it's become prettier. Okay, the first model is done. And for another rose, we can also wrap it with sponbund fabric. Fold the fabric like this and put the rose on the fabric. Fold again and knot with a ribbon. Trim and knit the edge of a ribbon, and then we can put the clay on the middle. Okay, the second model is also done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share if you like this video. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.